Hello everyone. Do you need assistance or have a question about TaskRabbit? In this video, I will show you how to contact support on TaskRabbit without the need for registration. With a quick and easy process, you can get the help you need in no time. So let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. So guys, here it is the TaskRabbit main page. So this is how it looks like after you create your account and you launch it, of course. Now, for you to get the help of the support, all you got to do is actually go through TaskRabbit. Here we go, and write support. This is the simplest way to get to support. So through here, you can click on TaskRabbit support, and you can find all the needs that you might need for your account. As an example, there is three kinds of supports that you might find: the client support, the tasker support, and the registration. So here the client. For the client, it is simply for someone who is hiring people, who is ordering from the website. For the taskers, it is for the ones who are making the job. So the client will order from the website and the website will give this order to the taskers to do. And the registrants are just people who have struggling with creating the account. So let's start with clients. For the client, you'll have around 8 kind of different sections. First one, important announcements. So here you might find all the new updates, features, built-in announcements. Here you might find TaskRabbit 101, which is a beginner's guide to start using the service. Here, this is Hire a Tasker. It is information on how to get a tasker for your job. This is IKEA Tasks. It is bought something and needed assembled. Start from here. So here you'll find task management for ongoing task, updating or canceling tasks. Here for the payment, understanding your bill account for how to get into and update your accounts. And here policies for our commitment to top quality service. For example, here to important announcements, if you click on it, you'll find a bunch of different articles over here. You can even click here to see all the different articles, or another way, you can just contact them through here. Click here, contact us, and they will give you 3 different ways. Chat with us, so you can literally just click here and chat with them, write your name, email, phone number, message. Here you can leave a message, so you can just click here and you can simply just write your informations here and leave description, etc. And here give us a call, so you can get their phone number and call them on their phone, and you can contact them as you like. Make sure you are calling them from this hour, so every day from 8:30 to 6:30. So for example, now it is 4:18, so it is still you can call them. Past this time, you will not be able to call them. So this is how you can contact them. Now let's go back around here. And as I said, here you might find all the different kind of articles that had relationship with the important announcements that has the new features, etc. So here, if you click on any kind of article, you will find every little detail about it. So even like this task, for example, booking the basics. So here in the article, you might find some sub articles that will be more details to help you understand literally everything about the platform and the new features that they have and the new announcement that they are making. And just to mention you guys, make sure if the article helped you or not, make sure to leave a kind of review. So if this article was helpful, tap on yes. If not, tap on no. So they might change it later on. Now let's go back here. And as I said, you can just simply click on any one of these and check which one will help you. So for example, you are having problems with hiring tasker, click on this one, TaskRabbit 101, beginning guide to start using the service. If you bought anything from IKEA and you want someone to assemble it, you can click here and check how to do so. Here, in case you were a tasker, you can check here the important announcement, the same thing as clients. Here, the Tasker 101, which is the guide on how to become become a tasker. Here, task invitations, so information on how to get invited to a job, managing my tasks, so how to keep up to date with your tasks, IKEA tasks, so how to handle tasks for our IKEA customers, payments and invoicing. This is some question about your invoices and the payment that you are get and the cut that they are taking. The account, how to get into and update your account, and here the policies for our commitment to the top quality service. Finally, the registrants. Here the same thing. Important announcement will be always the first one. Then here there is no registration 101, there is registration basics, so a guide on getting set up with our service. Starting the registration, how to get started as a tasker, background and ID checks, which is how to get verified on this platform, how to verify your account, how to verify yourself using your ID information like license ID, your picture, etc. to ensure the safety of our clients and taskers. Then here there is the after registration. So what you have to do after registration and creating your account. So how to move from registration to tasking. Here the account, which is how to get into and update your account, and the policies for the best commitment to the top quality services. So this is about the support section. Well, now below this, you will find some of the FAQ, which is the frequently asked questions. Here, some the top questions are on this platform. As an example, new to TaskRabbit, click here to for some links to help you book your task. Are taskers licensed? How far in advance can I book my task? How do I pay my tasker? How do I reimburse my tasker for expenses? What do I need to know about merged categories? Why can't I find the tasker? Can TaskRabbit help with professional services? What's the cancellation policy? How do I tip my tasker? And when will I get my 1099K? For example, you are interested in 1099K, click here and you will find all the information about it. So TaskRabbit payment processor is Stripe. Is a partnering with TaskRabbit to provide eligible taskers with both a digital and mailed copy of their individual 1099K form. So these are some of their digital forms available for download. Mailed forms will be postmarked. So all of these they will be explained. Am I eligible to receive a 1099K? How do I receive my 1099K? And much more. So you can find all kind of different topics in here. Now, let's say you didn't find anything here, you are so confused where to click exactly, there is no problem. Make sure to go here, how can we help you, and write your question. So once you have started to write your question, for example, tasker, you will show you here different kind of articles that might have relation with your question or your problem. So you don't really have to contact the support unless you really need the support. You can just type your question here and you might find the article that will help you instead of going around calling the support, waiting for them to answer you. That may take more time than just writing the question and then finding it in the search results. So yeah guys, that was complete yet. Thank you a lot for watching and see you guys in the next tutorial.